Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
Great.
What's
So,
what's your name?
my name is Saya and I'm from England.
Oh, nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too. And you're Sahiba, yes?
Yes, my name is Sahiba, and I am from India.
Oh, you're from India. I'm in
Yes.
India right now.
Oh my gosh, you are Indian?
My grandmother is Indian. So,
Okay. So, right now, where are you in?
I'm near Kolkata.
Oh, wow. Nice.
Okay, yeah, what about you?
I'm from, right now, I am living in Jammu and Kashmir. You know?
Mhm.
You know?
I know of it, yes.
Yeah.
Is that where you're
Yes.
from? Okay, nice. So,
Yes.
Sahiba, are you a student? Do you work?
Yes, I am student. I am in 12th grade right now.
Okay.
Yes.
So you are 17?
Yes. I'm 17.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Because I'm actually also in 12th grade, but I'm behind a few years because I used to live in Germany.
Oh,
So yeah, so I'm 19, but we're in the same grade.
how old are you?
I'm 19.
Oh my gosh, you are 19.
Mm-hmm.
But you look 21, 22.
Thank you. Thank you. What are you studying, Sahiba?
uh, Subjects?
Mm-hmm.
Mm, Actually, I choose art subjects.
Oh, okay.
Yes. English like English, Urdu,
Mhm.
political science,
Mhm.
IT,
Oh,
yes, and Persian,
I know of Persian. I don't speak Persian.
Okay, yes, my subject is Persian.
Oh, wow. So you must be very good at languages.
Yes.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, what about you? What do you do?
I study English literature, mathematics, and physics.
Wow, mathematics and physics. Okay, so you are a student?
I'm a physics student, yeah.
What do you study to? You are in college?
No, I'm in 12th grade like you.
Right now you are in 12th grade.
Yes.
Okay, your subjects are medical or non-medical?
No, no,
Science.
non-medical. I'm a physics student, so pure science.
Okay, science.
Mhm.
Oh, so in which school you are in right now?
I'm not actually in a school right now.
Mm-hmm.
So I follow the English curriculum and I have a private teacher and then I just take my exams. So technically I'm homeschooled, but not really.
Okay, you are homeschool.
Yeah, kind
Mm-hmm.
of. Yeah, I'm
Very
doing it
nice.
this way so that I can go to university in England.
In England.
Mhm.
Okay. So how long you are living in Kolkata?
In October, I will have been living here for 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
Okay. So what did you learn? English.
I'm English. I was born in England.
Okay.
Yeah, I was born in England and I lived there until I was 12. And then I lived in America for 1 year. And then I
Mm.
lived in Germany for 3 years. And now I live in India.
Okay. So what do you want to become in your life? What's your
Uh, I'm
dream?
I'm going to be a physicist, so I'm going to be a scientist.
Scientists.
Hmm.
Wow. Very interesting.
What about you? Are you going to be a diplomat with so many languages and political science?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, I also like homeschooling.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I'm very interested in homeschooling, and I my aim in life to become an Islamic scholar. So
Mm.
I want to complete my study from America.
Ah,
Next year
okay.
I will go to the America.
Oh, so you're going to take the SATs then?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Good luck. They're very difficult, I hear. But
Yes.
actually, if you've studied in India, then the SATs are very simple.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yes. Do you know which university you want to study in?
In abroad,
Yes.
actually, I want to go to the in I want to go to in California. So
Oh,
yeah, I
okay.
don't know about any
California State?
universities.
Oh, you just want to go to the state California and you'll pick
Yes,
a
yes,
university
yes.
there.
Just
Ah, okay.
I am searching
Mhm.
for universities. Universities.
Mhm.
Yes.
Yeah, I actually used to live in California.
Mm-hmm.
It was very beautiful. Oh my god, it was very beautiful.
Yes,
Yes.
I heard
Yeah,
about.
there are lots of yes, the sunsets in California are amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. They have good
Okay.
universities there as well,
Yes.
so I'm sure that will go very well for you.
Okay. So right now, where are you in? In your room?
Right now I'm near Kolkata. That's where I
No,
live.
no. In your room or
Yes, this is my bedroom.
my God, very nice. Your
Oh, thank
background.
you. Thank you.
Wow.
I don't like going outside, so I like to make my bedroom nice.
Wow. These are caps?
Yes, so these are hats from all the different countries that I visited. Hello, Sahiba. Can you hear me? Hello?